Right, so in this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can accept UPI payments in your React application using RazorPay. Alright, so first let me show you how it will look like. So as you can see, I have created a basic products page using React and Chakra UI. I'm basically selling Apple's product here. So let's buy iPhone 15. As you can see, inside this checkout form, my product details are appearing as well as the amounts. So it will ask for your mobile number first. So let's fill that out. And as you can see, I have so many payment methods available for me to choose from, as well as e-wallets, net banking, UPI, so many options. All right, so let's go with UPI. Since we are in test mode, we are not allowed to use actual UPI IDs. So I'm going to use some test UPI ID, which is success at RazorPay. There we go. As you can see, our payment is successful now. Awesome. So after a few seconds, it will redirect back to our React application, and you can see our payment is done. Awesome. Now let me show you the code for it. First, you're gonna need React use RazorPay hook, which can be installed using yarn and react-razorpay or npm install-razorpay. I have already done that. Install that, import it, and this returns RazorPay object, and this can be destruct here like this. After that, create new instance of this object, pass your API key, which can be obtained from razorpay.com, pass your products info, and inside this specify handler method. This function will trigger after your payment is successful. So as you can see, I'm just passing a toast that says, yeah, the payment is done. All right, after that, just trigger this razorpay.open method, which triggers your checkout form. And that is it. Hope you like this tutorial and let me know what you think about this. I'll see you in the next one.